Official presentation of this machine to CP National Park for effective use and discharge of its duty.
Handing over the speedboats to officials of the Conservation of Park, Okomu National Park, the President, Edo State Sawmillers Association, Comrade Friday Agwohia, said as a stakeholder in the industry, they discovered that the Conservation of Park, Okomu National Park, has been working assiduously to ensure illegal loggers in the waterways are curtailed. He said when the association got feelers that the operations have been slowed down with lack of equipment, the association decided to provide the speedboats to help in the effective discharge of their duties.
We brought our heads together. We decided to purchase the 40 horsepower Japanese tall speedboats voluntarily. It's a voluntary donation because our primary responsibility is to assist the government at all levels to protect our forest and to regenerate our forest. These are two major areas we are keen to, and we are working in that direction.
Receiving the donation, the conservator of parks, Mr. Lawrence Egosa Osaze, appreciated the Sawmillers Association for the gesture, noting that the speedboat will go a long way in assisting them in combing the waterways and get rid of illegal loggers.
We are glad because we have had truly challenge in monitoring illegal activities on the waterways, particularly in the aspects that concerns the national park and the watershed. But with the provision of this engine, we'll be able to cover it adequately and will minimize greatly the incidence of illegality in the national park.
Members of the Edo State Sawmillers Association and some officials of the Conservation of Park, Okomu National Park, took a ride on the boat for a test run.
Complete boat is completed today. Before it was an engine, but it's now a complete boat. Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
One of the primary responsibility of the Edo State Sawmiller Association is to assist the government at all levels to protect and regenerate the forests. Sharon Ajay, ITV News.